Hello there, Jao Vergara here. For this video, I will be talking about another instructional content type, content video. But specifically, I will be talking how to create content video with a very basic open source software. In recording my audio, I will be using the Audacity, and for the video, I will be using the screen recording feature of Microsoft PowerPoint. And for my post-production, I will be using the Openshot video editor. And here's how you are going to record your audio and your video simultaneously. First, I will open my Audacity. Then after that, I will open my camera app and I will open my presentation. Then I will minimize the window for my Audacity, and for my presentation, I will insert screen recording and I will select this area of my video frame. Then I will record my screen recording. Hello, I am your teacher. I am demonstrating this video creation using Audacity and screen capturing feature of Microsoft PowerPoint. Then after that, I will stop recording my PowerPoint, also my Audacity. Then I will go to editing. In editing my recording, I will remove first the noise. This is very noisy recording. Okay, I will select portion of my audio recording. Then I will go to effects. Then I will go to noise reduction. Then I will get noise profile. And after that, I will select all my audio recording by pressing Ctrl A. Then all of my audio recording has been selected. I will go back to effects, down to noise reduction. Then I will just click OK. Then all the noise has been removed. So that's how you are going to enhance your audio recording. After that, you can export your audio recording. Export as MP3 or WAV. For this example, I will just export this as MP3 file. Then, I will give it a title, Teacher. Then, I will just leave all the settings. Then, I will click Save. Then, it will ask all possible tags, and I will just leave it blank. And I will click OK. Then, I am done with my audio editing. Then, I will go to my PowerPoint and adjust my video frame to fill my PowerPoint slide. I will then export my video. I will create a video, leaving all default settings. I simply create video. I will save it to the folder I desire. Then I will put title, say Teacher. Then click Save. Then I will wait for the video to finish exporting. It is done. So I can now close my PowerPoint file. Then I will open my Openshot video editor. By default, the Openshot has 5 tracks. In these tracks, you can drag and drop video files or audio files. Since I only have 2 files, I will remove this and leave 2 tracks only. Then I will just open the folder. Then from my folders, I will just drag and drop my audio and video files. Then I will expand and make some adjustments. If I am going to listen to my recordings, I have to match my footage where I clap my hands, and I will cut this portion. I just click the scissor icon, cut this portion. Then I will listen to my audio track. Then I will delete this one and match. Then I will cut just before I hit my clap. Okay, I unclick the scissors so I can select these clips. Then I will listen again from the very beginning and make few adjustments. Okay, so once you are satisfied with your video and audio syncing, you are now ready to export your final video. Just press Ctrl A to select all the tracks. For this case, 2 tracks only. Then you go to File, Export Video. Then it will ask you a file name. I will name it Teacher Final. It will ask you where to save your file. I will change this into my desired folder. Select folder. I will just leave all formats. Then click Export Video. Then I will see the progress bar. Once done, just click Done. Then you can try verifying if you do have your video output. Teacher Final. There you are. Let us try to play this one. Hello, I am your teacher. I am demonstrating this video creation using Audacity, and this is just a very basic example of a production workflow. You can use as many softwares as you can learn, and I encourage you to learn a more complicated software. Of course, the more complicated the software is, the more advanced the software is, it can deliver a better result. Thank you for listening and watching.